Assalamu alaikum and welcome to 1 to Infinity Reinforcement Club. This video is the continuation video of numeral system and number system, and today we will do the types of numbers. So basically we will discuss around 11 types of numbers here, and the first one is the natural number. So natural numbers are basically the counting numbers, and it is denoted by capital N. For example, if you see a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, this set will be known as a natural number set. And natural numbers usually are positive numbers. And in this case, you can see that there is no zero in this set. So 0 is not a natural number. So if we talk about that, which one is the smallest natural number? So 1 will be the smallest number, natural smallest number. Second number is type of number is whole numbers. All the natural numbers and 0 form a set of whole numbers. It means that if a set is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it also has 0 in it, it means that this set will be known as a whole number set, and it will be denoted by W. And we also we can say that this number set is also known as a non-negative integers. It means that this number set is not having any negative number in it, so it is also known as non-negative integers as well. Number 3 is integers. Integers are the whole numbers, and these are the negative numbers as well, and it is denoted by I, but this I will be a little bit slanting. It will not be an accurate I, it will be showing as a slanting I. And the set of the integers will be known as I is equal to minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. For example, integers set is also having all the positive and negative numbers and 0 as well. Then we categorize integers into two parts, that is the positive integers and the negative integers. So positive integers are the natural numbers, and these are denoted by I. For example, if you have to write the positive integers, you will write it 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But in case of negative integers, negative integers will have the negative natural numbers, and negative natural numbers means they will not have 0 in it, because a natural number set will not have 0 in it. So it is denoted by I and with a small this sign with it, and we will write the set of negative integers will be as this: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Now we will discuss the even numbers. So even number set is a set in which a number which is divisible by 2. It means if any number which is divisible by 2 will be known as an even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. And one more interesting thing to know, that every figure, if you are having a figure and you see that the unit place of every even number will be 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. I have given an example over here as well. Like for example, you are having a number 1376, and then you find that the unit place of this number is 6. It means that this number is the 1376 will be an even number. Without considering that कि आपके पास यहाँ पे 1 है, 3 है, and 7 है, and all these numbers are odd numbers, but the unit place of the number is 6, it means that the number will be an even number. Then we will go with the odd numbers. Odd number is basically the opposite of even numbers. And on a lighter note, we can say that a friend of itself and 1 is known as a, sorry, it's an opposite number of even numbers. And the number, a counting number which cannot be divisible by 2 will be known as your odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. It means that a number which cannot be divided by 2 will be known as your odd number, and the unit place of that number will also be an odd number. And again, we'll go with this example. Like I have written a number here 2, 4, 6, and 7, and the unit place of this figure is 7. It means that this is an odd number. विदाउट कंसिडरिंग कि यहाँ पे आपके पास 2 है, 4 है, 6 है, एंड ऑल दीज आर इवन नंबर्स. बट अगर यूनिट प्लेस में आपके पास 7 है, दैट इज़ ऑड नंबर, तो होल फिगर आपका जो है वो ऑड नंबर में कंसिडर होगा. Then we will go with the prime numbers. So prime numbers are the numbers which are only having a factor of 1 in itself, or they can be divisible by 1 or itself. Or we can say that prime number is a number which are only having 1 as a friend and itself. वो अपना friend होता है या वो सिर्फ 1 का friend होता है. तो इसमें आपके पास जो है, this will be known as your prime number. So these numbers will be considered as prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So only 2 is a number which is even and prime as well. This 2 will, because 2 के साथ में 1 आता है और 2 itself होता है, तो this 2 is even number, it's not an odd number. So 2 will be your even prime number. So you have to keep this thing in your mind, that whenever they will ask you that which is the smallest prime number, so you will say that this is 2, right? And your prime number will always be greater than 1, although 1 is not a prime number. So your lowest odd prime number is 3. There would be two questions, like if they would ask you that what is the smallest prime number, then it will be 2, and if they ask you that what is the smallest odd prime number, then it will be 3. Then I have to tell you an example to check that the number is a prime or a not prime number or not. So if there is a p would be a given number, and x there would be a given value, so you have to see x greater than p square root. So if there, for example, they have given x is equal to 14 and p is equal to 193, and you have to check that 193 is a prime number or not. So what you will do is you will find the prime numbers till 14, that how many prime numbers are there. So you will find that 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, and after that you will check whether they are prime numbers or not. So these numbers are not divisible by 193. So if there would be no number which is divisible by 193, it will be your prime number. So we can say that this 193 will be your prime number. And then we are having composite number. Composite number is also opposite of prime numbers. So in composite numbers, these are non-prime numbers and they must have one factor apart from 1 in itself. Like इनका जो है friend एक और itself number के अलावा one more factor होना चाहिए, and that will be your composite number. For example, 4, 8 and 9. If we see the example of 4, so you can see that the 1 is the factor of 4, 4 is a factor of 4, and 2 is also a factor of 4. So 1 and itself, इनके बाद में आपके पास ये 2 एक extra है. In the same way 9, 1, 3 and 9. So these are the composite numbers. And composite numbers can be positive and negative. In composite numbers can be even and odd as well. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So if you are 1, you are neither a prime number nor composite, so you need a friend as well. Anyhow, it's co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, as the name is showing, co, so there would be two natural numbers. Two natural numbers are co-prime numbers if there is HCF is 1. अगर इनका HCF 1 आता है तो then it will be a co-prime number. For example, 7 and 9, and I'll tell you that how. For example, if we take the factors of 7, these are 1 and 7. And if we see the factors of 9, that will be 1, 3 and 9. And then we find the common factor. So 1 is only the common factor. And when we go with the highest common factor, that which number is the highest? So 1, obviously there is only 1 here. So 1 will be your highest common factor. So in this scenario, these natural numbers will be your co-prime numbers. Now we'll go with the rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed as p by q. It means that we can show in the fraction form, where p and q are the integers. For example, 2 by 3, 7 by 11, say 4 by 7, etc. So these are your rational numbers. And irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be expressed as numbers. These are known as your rational numbers. I can give you an example of irrational numbers, that is pi. Okay, and then these are the real numbers. Real numbers include both rational and irrational numbers. It means that they are having 7 by 9, they are having 2 square root, they are 11 square root, they can have pi, then they are having 14 by 28, etc. Like both rational and irrational numbers include in your real number. There are few things that you have to keep it in your mind, that square of every even number will be even and square of every odd number will be odd. So you have to keep these things in your mind. Number series, I'll make another video for that. Thank you so much for watching. Any video that you like, please follow my channel and follow my page as well. And if you find any query, you can ask me, you can send me a message. I'll try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching my video.